Hey besties, do you know that there is a way for you to move abroad in 2025 without paying a single dime for a visa, without needing a degree, and without even having work experience? This sounds unreal, right? But stay close because today's video is going to change everything you thought you knew about relocating. This opportunity is 100% legit, government approved, and completely free to apply. Yes, visa application fee is zero, agent fee not needed, interview not required in most cases. So besties, get your popcorn, grab a notebook, and let's get into this softly but powerfully. I'm about to show you a fully verified opportunity that could be your golden door into Europe, and it all starts with volunteering. This video is especially for you if you are between the ages of 18 and 30. You've been looking for a pathway to start your international journey without breaking the bank, and you are ready to take action and follow a simple, legal, and free route. By the end of this video, you have a list of websites offering verified volunteer roles, step-by-step details on how to apply for your visa, a full document checklist, and government links to guide you through the process with zero confusion. If you're coming across the channel for the very first time, my name is Peace. I talk about everything relocation that will help you live, study, and work abroad. So feel free to join the community by liking the video, subscribe to the channel if you have not already done so, comment and share. I reply to every of my comments, and be at peace because in this channel I share only verified content. Okay, so let's get straight in. Today we are talking about a unique volunteer residence permit in one of the most peaceful and progressive countries in Europe. And while I won't name the country in the title, those of you watching know we are talking about Denmark. Yes, Denmark has a special visa program for international volunteers and is designed specifically for young people aged 18 to 30 who want to work on social or humanitarian projects. The official immigration site of Denmark confirms that 1. You can apply for a volunteer residence permit. 2. You do not need to pay any visa application fee. 3. Your stay can last up to 18 months. 4. Your work must be unpaid and in a humanitarian or social field. 5. And your host organization must provide accommodation, means, and insurance. Everything I'm sharing with you today is directly from Denmark's official website. I've told you guys before, I don't do clickbait here. I take my time to research and gather facts for you all because I am seriously rooting for you guys, okay? Let's talk eligibility. You must be between 18 and 30 years old. You will need a valid passport. You must have an offer from a Danish organization that hosts international volunteers. If your host doesn't cover accommodation or meals, you must show you have around DKK 7,806 per month. That's Denmark currency, okay? That's roughly 800 pounds or 1.2 million a month in savings, okay? And you must covered by liability and health insurance, okay? This is what will surprise you. You don't need a university degree. You don't need any job experience. You don't need to pay an agent. And you don't need to go through an interview with immigration authorities. That's why this opportunity is so powerful, it's accessible, simple, and supportive. When I was making my research and I saw all of this, I'm like, wow, such a golden opportunity. And if you're on this channel, you're lucky to be seeing this, okay? So as this go on live, don't stop. Go and apply, okay? Now, besties, let's be clear and honest. The volunteer visa is meant for temporary, unpaid work. You are expected to leave when your visa expires unless you are qualified and reapply under another legal route, such as a study visa or a job seeker visa or a work permit if you later get a skilled job offer. Okay, so while you are on your volunteering role, you have to put your eyes in other places where you can get visas. Okay, so while some people have also managed to switch, this is not officially guaranteed. Okay, so don't plan with assumption, plan with wisdom. Okay, use this volunteering time to network, integrate, and explore other legal options while you are already inside Denmark. Okay, if you are going to Denmark as a volunteer, don't just relax. You have to start looking for your best route on where you could get settled. Okay, so now let's get into how to apply for the volunteer visa role. Okay, you have to note down this point carefully. Okay, step 1, you have to secure a volunteer offer. You must first get an offer letter from a registered Danish organization or NGO. Step 2, gather your documents. Example, your valid passport, your offer letter with tax agreement and work hours, proof of accommodation and meals, or proof of funds. That's if you won't be paid. Okay, health and liability insurance. Some host organization will provide this. Then step 3, apply online on the Danish government website. I'll be putting the link in my description. Okay, click on how to apply, create your application, attach a document, and submit. Most times the processing time is up to 3 months, and yes, it's 100% free. I will show you guys what I saw in the website. Is free. Okay, I'll do a screen recording for you guys to see. Okay, because of the doubting Thomas in this channel. Okay, so where do you find these volunteer jobs? Where do you find the volunteer offers? Freakvillejob.dk. This is one of the largest Danish volunteering platform. So you have to filter your interests either in childcare, environment, events, refugee support, social care. You can translate into English, but most phones these days, when you go to a non-English site, it automatically translates it to to English for you. Okay, because most of these roles is in Danish language, so you have to use Google Translate to translate it to English for you to understand what they're saying on the website. Okay, the other one is I say Global Volunteers. I'll be dropping the link and all of this in my description. Okay, it's a youth-led global non-profit offering structured volunteer roles with cultural exchange. Many include accommodation and travel support. Okay, the other third one is ICYE Denmark. Is a non-profit hosting global volunteers for up to 12 months in Denmark. They support you through your entire journey. The other one is Walkaway Wallpackers Help Stay. They offer short-term cultural exchange and volunteering, accommodation and meals in exchange for help. This may not qualify for the volunteer visa directly, but a good starting point. Okay, supporting children and youth centers, helping in refugee camps or shelters, event organization and community outreach, eco-farming and sustainable living projects, working with homeless, shelters or food banks, teaching basic skills like English or IT. Many of these roles don't require experience. They just need passion, commitment, and willingness to help. Now you have to listen carefully. Okay? One of the most important parts of your application is your motivation letter. It tells the organization why you are passionate about volunteering and how you can contribute. Besties, if you need support writing this, you have to consider it professionally done. Okay, a strong letter can make all the difference. Okay, but without being told, I don't like giving you guys half content. I'm different from every other YouTuber out there. Okay, I will give you a sample of a motivation letter. You can fine-tune it to your style and put in your own words. Okay, so besties, why should you jump on this now? Because it's free, it's beginner friendly, it's open for 2025, it gives you a chance to enter Europe legally, and most importantly, it gives you exposure, experience, and opportunity. Remember, if where you are going is better than where you are now, is worth making the move. I hope today's video opened your eyes to what's possible. This opportunity may not be loud or flashy, but is real, it's honest, and it could be your stepping stone, okay? So if this blessed you or gave you hope, please do me a favor. Like this video, share it with someone who needs it, subscribe and turn on your post notification so you never miss another soft life relocation tip, okay? As you know, this video was specifically for 18 to 30 years old, okay? If you're over 40, I have a video coming up for you guys, okay? So let me know in the comment section if you're over 40. Say I am over 40, okay? Let me know if I should publish the video or not, okay? I want to see if I have an older audience in my community, okay? Until next time, besties, keep believing, keep planning, and keep pushing. I am rooting for you always, and I love you very much, but God loves you the most. Bye for now.